Science.
Technology.
Engineering.
Arts. And math.
These are the components that help to create a dynamic and engaging learning environment for the students.
Working in an art-focused magnet school, incorporating the A of STEAM was not hard for us to accomplish.
Mr. Sandstone, bring me downstream. Bung, 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 bung. Deposit me at the deltas you've seen. Bung, 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 bung. Cement me together with quartz and calcite. Bung, bung.
Learning how to successfully incorporate project-based learning served as more of a challenge.
Through health, science, and math classes, we were able to create authentic tasks for the students.
We planned, tried, changed, adapted, failed, and succeeded throughout this year. The learning began at the beginning of the school year with Ms. Cochran's health class. Students had to research a real-world health topic and teach their peers throughout each unit. The projects and presentations were all student choice, whether they presented with a poster, video, or visual presentation.
In Mrs. McKnight's and Miss Eisner's science classes, students brought science to life through song, painting, engineering, and design. Students learned how all of the rocks were interrelated by creating rock band albums and songs about the different types of rocks. Speed and motion was brought into real-world context by having students research car engineering and then design and create a car that included safety features and could successfully carry a raw egg through a crash test simulation. During the roller coaster unit, students put to test their knowledge of forces, speed, and motion to create a roller coaster that included turns, hills, loops, and jumps. Creating a class storybook and writing odes to the planets brought astronomy to life and allowed the students an opportunity to work on their creative writing skills and art interpretations through science. Finally, the year in science concluded with NASA's Journey to Mars simulations. Students were put to multiple tasks similar to what the engineers and scientists at NASA are currently doing to prepare astronauts for Mars. Students had to calculate the amount and weight of food for astronauts, design and engineer the rover landing device, and work on communication skills through writing directions for a Mars rover.
In Mrs. Cochran's grade level math classes, students designed and used engineering to better understand math concepts and how math relates to the real world. During the roller coaster project, students focused on scale factor and slope. Students had to draw a scale model sketch of the roller coaster, which was later created out of cardboard. Scale modeling was also used to create a frame and a comic strip at a larger scale based on the newspaper-sized strip. Algebra students designed bridges with guest engineers from Metromont, working on a structure that had the correct tolerance to be able to support a textbook. They made the connection to the real world through seeing what happens if bridges are not constructed properly.
Overall, we had a successful year implementing STEAM and project-based tasks throughout our lessons.
We saw academic growth through all of the different ability groups of our students.
Teachers and students were able to work together to implement this new type of teaching and learning.